Hi guys, today the Makerspace will be teaching you guys how to sew using a pattern. So today we are using this free apron pattern we found online for free, and we'll have it linked here so that you can try it out as well. So next you'll place your pattern over your fabric, and using a washable marker, pen, or pencil you'll trace all around your pattern. So after you trace your pattern, you're going to grab your scissors and start cutting around the outline so that we can get started with our apron. So next I cut a 9x7 rectangle for the pocket. So for this pattern I cut out 2 strips for the neck straps, and they're both 2.5 by 24 inches. And finally, to conclude the cutting, you'll cut 2 more straps for the waist ties, and these will be 2.5 by 35 inches. Alright, so next we're going to iron. So from the top and the bottom I decided to fold over an inch, and I ironed those over, and then for the 2 sides I did a 1/4 inch fold and I ironed those over as well. So next you're going to take the 4 straps that you cut and you're going to fold them down the middle and iron them so that our sewing is smooth and easy. Okay, and now I'm ironing the pocket, and for this I decided to do 1/4 inch folds along the sides and the bottom, and then for the top I folded it down an inch and ironed that down. So now it's time to start sewing. So we're going to take our straps and sew them down the hemline that we folded over. Next, turn your straps inside out. Once you've turned your straps inside out, iron them down so that we can attach them to the apron. Now sew the pocket along the hemlines that you folded over and ironed down. Okay, so grab the main part of your apron and sew along the tops and bottoms and then around the sides so that we can attach everything together. Next, you'll decide where you want to place your pocket. I decided to place mine on the side, and I used some pins to secure it. Next, let's sew it on. So here I'm using a zigzag stitch because I thought it looked fun. Finally, secure all of the straps to the top and to the sides so that you can wear your apron. Alright, and once you finish sewing on all of the straps, your apron is complete and ready to go. Thank you so much for watching, and we really hope you'll try this out.